Welcome to America's Virtual Chamber of Commerce and Industry, ABCCI, powered by the American Business Podcast. My name is Kevin Deveci. I'm the founder of the American Business Podcast, ABP, and founder of America's Virtual Chamber of Commerce and Industry, ABCCI. ABCCI is a virtual America's Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Because it's virtual, you can connect ABCCI and ABCCI activities from anywhere. We are a national Chamber of Commerce and Industry to help American businesses grow their businesses, collaborate, connect, and educate their workforce. Our mission is simple at ABCCI. We are to promote, support, uplift, and connect American businesses, nonprofits, manufacturers, and the business community in this age of AI. One mission, unlimited locations, thanks to our virtual Chamber of Commerce model that's designed for these modern ages, business professional. When you go to abcci.us website of ours, you can learn more about ABCCI, our mission, as well as our events. We have more than 10 active committee meetings that takes place every month. And each committee is led by members of ABCCI. And each committee meets monthly. Committee meetings are complimentary. You don't have to be an ABCCI member to follow and join. Please go to abcci.us and go to events section. You'll see the list of committee meetings on the calendar, and you can sign up complimentary and join us. Each committee meeting is taking place virtually, and each committee meeting is being recorded and pushed to the American Business Podcast for further visibility and publicity opportunity. Thanks to the integration between the American Business Podcast and America's Virtual Chamber of Commerce and Industry, ABCCI. Now ABCCI is the only Chamber of Commerce that is virtual and powered by a successful business podcast network, that is the American Business Podcast. Support us, join us, and we are looking forward to welcoming you at ABCCI. Remember, ABCCI is inclusive. From sole entrepreneur to Fortune 500 company, there is something for every single business professional, executive, and business leader, as well as we are welcoming young professionals, those who are just entering their career, starting their career journey. We are welcoming everyone, every serious business professional and every serious American business and international business to America's Virtual Chamber of Commerce and Industry, also known as ABCCI, powered by the American Business Podcast. Please go to our website, abcci.us, learn more about ABCCI, go to events section, sign up our coming virtual complimentary committee meetings, and be a member. Support ABCCI. We are growing very fast, and we love to have you at ABCCI and help you grow your business in this age of AI. Thank you for your support.